If chemistry had a Tinder profile, most of us would swipe left. But today, we are turning the lab into a vibe. Let's cook something which you smell by chance. It will hit you harder than your exam result. Yep, it's ammonia. It's simple. Mix a base with ammonium salt and you will get our ammonia. We heat the base and the ammonium chloride and boom, ammonia is formed. So it's calcium hydroxide plus 2 ammonium chloride. It forms calcium chloride. Now the valency of calcium is 2, chloride is 1. So the formula comes calcium chloride plus ammonia is released and water is formed. So this is how ammonia is prepared in lab. Here comes an ICSE's favorite question. Why is ammonium nitrate or nitrite not used in the laboratory? Because they have different equations, right?
There is a place where the young ones shouldn't go.
They decompose into other gases other than ammonia. They may form nitrogen. Okay, this is the lab setup. Let's break it down faster than my willpower during the chemistry class. So here A is the round bottom flask, B is the drying tower and C is the inverted gas jar where the gas ammonia will be collected after the reactions. Here the glass retort, the round bottom flask is a bit tilted, right? It's not straight. Now you people don't tilt your face to see this. So it's a bit tilted. Why? Because here the water vapor which will form, we have seen in the reaction that water vapor is forming here. So the water vapor which will form here, if it's not tilted, it's hot, water vapor is hot, it may break apparatus. So it's tilted so that whatever is formed will be collected here and it will be dried using the drying agent quicktime. Okay. When your teacher says handle with care and you accidentally drop it. Here's how we do it in the lab. Let's go. So mix dry ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide in the ratio 2:1 and place the mixture in this round bottom flask and start heating it. Keep the position inclined because safety first, right? Ammonia gas formed is passed through drying tower and the drying agent uses calcium oxide. Yeah, gas is collected in an inverted gas jar, right? Let's see why. It is collected by downward displacement of air. Why downward displacement? Because it is lighter than air. When ammonia comes from here now, ammonia being lighter, it collected over here and the air which was present there, it escapes out. Okay, so this proves that ammonia, why it is taken inverted and ammonia is collected here. Now the question is, why not collect over water? Because ammonia, when comes in contact with water, it is just gone. That means it reacts vigorously and it will vanish like anything. So we do not collect it over water, we prefer to collect it over air. Ammonia just hate acidic people, you know. Once quicktime was asked to dry ammonia gas. Quicktime said, yeah, I don't react with my clients, you know, I just dry it. Once ammonia was dried with sulfuric acid and you know what happens? It ended up making ammonium sulfate. Now, the precautions. Now, the precautions, because safety first. Handle the chemical with gloves, heat it gently, and work in a ventilated, air circulated area, and follow the dry safety rules and use drying reagents only, because ammonia react vigorously with water. Okay. Now the bonus facts for those who cares. Actually, no one cares, but exams care, right? Alkali is more 2:1 ratio is preferred. Slake lime is used because it is not a deliquescent substance and it does not leave watery, right? Quick lime, best drying agent is the lime for ammonia, for basic things. Now quick summary: react ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide, you will get the product ammonia. Heat it gently in a tilted flask because the apparatus will be saved. Tie it with quicklime because quicklime is basic, it does not react with ammonia, and click it using downward displacement of air because it is lighter than air. So ammonia is prepared. Smells bad, works great. Science wins again. If you learn something and laughed, you owe me a subscribe, a thumbs up, or I will release ammonia in your class. Okay, like my video and subscribe and share to others. Thank you. Bye bye.